Hey folks, Adam here. Today we're going to look at these lithium-ion batteries. They come to us from Black & Decker. I purchased these a couple years ago and they're absolutely amazing, so I wanted to tell you a little bit about them. First off, it is nice with any Black & Decker power tool, they just slide right in. And they're interchangeable with all 20-volt power tools. Easy in, easy out, and there you go, spring-loaded, so it's an easy install. Now, what I like most about these is this works for all my power tools. My Black & Decker drill works. Jigsaw, table saw, works. String trimmer, hedge trimmer, I can swap out on one battery and do the entire lawn. And the fact that they are super powerful. I have no issue trimming the lawn. I can even do the edging by turning this over and using it as an edger. So we're talking about super powerful power tools, and we're talking about Black & Decker. If you haven't switched over yet to Black & Decker, and if you haven't switched over to battery tools, pull starting a lawnmower is not where it needs to be. This is fantastic. Black & Decker, get a couple extra, have them charged at all times, and keep your power tools ready to go. Thanks for watching, and adios.